looking at? Am I looking at this? I'm gonna just look. Hey guys, it's Tochi. Hey guys, it's Tochi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to my first fake wedding. I know if y'all be on TikTok and you're like Nigerian, Ghanaian, all of that, you've seen the videos and little TikToks that look so fun. So today, me and my sister are going to a fake wedding in Maryland. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for the whole process. I started getting my hair done in the last clip, as you guys have seen. And now I am also going to finish up my hair, get my makeup done. I bought my dress. I think the theme was purple, gold, and kente. So I got a little gold dress, something simple, not like Nigerian themed or whatever. These are my nails. These nails are not for the wedding, but I just got them done. You guys will see in a new video why I got my nails done. But I'm all cute, as you guys can see. So I'm about to go take a shower and then get dressed. I'll show you guys my dress and my heels and all that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's gonna be so much fun. And yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower now. I just wanted to show you guys my dress. I'll link everything down below. It's just this satin dress. It's super pretty and it's kind of like ruched at the sides. And then it had these chains. I'm probably gonna have to like clip them back on again. They were in a bag and then you just clip them on yourself. So this is it. It's pretty simple, super cute though, and like it's really flattering on the body. And then these are the heels that I got. I didn't necessarily get these heels for today. These are actually for my senior pictures, but I never actually, this is my first pair of heels that I bought. This is some clear heels. I really like how the heel looks. It's super cute. And I got these on Shein, by the way. So it should match. It's pretty like simple, but yeah, I'm about to put all this on and yeah. Okay guys, don't mind my bonnet. I'm still getting ready. But this is how everything's looking so far. I gotta take these heels off because I'm tired already. But yeah, it's kind of simple, but it's still cute. But I don't think I'm in like full face and glam until my hair's done, my makeup's done. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop filming right now and get back to you guys when we start doing the hair and doing the makeup, because that's when we're gonna come into full effect. So this is how it looks. I might change the lip, I don't know, but I'm really glammed up, like very glammed up. So I'm about to make videos and I will just see you guys when my sister is done, you know, what she's doing. Like, hey guys, we're on the way. Now these niggas tryna step my no hook flow. Everybody making no hook flow. Hey guys, so we just got here. Oh, it's really dark. Say hi. Hi. It's currently like 9 something, but we're about to go inside. I had this too. It's DNG. Per y'all. Side note, guys, my sister said that the colors were kente. Well, there's a dress code for here. She said that the colors were kente, gold, and purple, when it was really just kente and purple. And we're both wearing gold, so I mean, that's the life we're living. Guys, so success. What do you have to say?
I'm hot. I'm tired. It was a very rough match.
We are heading home now. It is currently 1 o'clock in the morning.
We're gonna get home.
I will update you guys when we get home.
We're gonna get home at 2:30.
2:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
Wow. It was so fun, y'all. Hey guys, so we're back home now. I look totally different, as you guys can see. I took off all of my makeup. It was a struggle. Still got stuff on my eyes, trying to figure that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope there's another one so I can do a part 2. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.